Alright, so we got here, and my god, babe, is this place worth it or what? Is it good?
Yeah. So beautiful.
So beautiful. Yeah, I mean everything here is like 700 to 800 years old. Check it out. Out of this world, man. It's insane. Everything here is just amazing. And these things are actually really big too. And to give you a little scope of things, see how small she is? And look at how big this thing is. Oh, these are like little baby Buddhas. Make me think how old they are. It's just so impressive, man. Darling, what's this temple called?
Wat Phat That, maybe. Ayutthaya.
Ayutthaya.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you're coming to Bangkok, get a taxi to Ayutthaya and just ask for the... I said it wrong, didn't I? What is it? Ayutthaya, that's it?
Yeah, Ayutthaya.
Yeah, I said it right. See?
Ayutthaya.
Ayutthaya. Yeah, Ayutthaya. Get a taxi here, it costs you about 700 baht. Whatever you do, do not get a flat rate for the full day because you get fined by the police. That's what happened when we got here, because they have checkpoints outside the temple, and if you've paid like a flat rate for the full day, they will fine you 500 baht. So do not do that. Get a taxi by the meter and you'll be fine. And then just ask for basically the Ayutthaya Historical Park and you will end up here. It's a lot easier to say than Wat Mara Barabam, whatever. So yeah, definitely come here, this is so worth it. So this bad boy, that's definitely the main attraction. This is really cool. Main temple. Also, another quick thing, if you think I'm lacking enthusiasm on this vlog, that's basically because I didn't sleep last night. Yeah, I stayed awake all night, so I'm pretty knackered, but I'm kind of livening up, so later on in the vlog we should be fine. And you can see how like, this was a temple back in the day as well, because like these things are like, I'm guessing, big columns like we got there. But yeah, I mean this place must have looked out of this world 800 years ago. And there's what it used to look like. It's just insane. Now this is awesome. Buddha's head in a tree. So cool, man. We've got another little temple down there as well, which we'll go and see in a minute. And you can just see the Buddha there. So we finished with that big one. I cannot remember his name. It's driving me crazy. But we just found this other one, and there's a big sign outside it which says Wat Not. So this one looks pretty cool. Here we go. So let's see what this one's got to offer. It's so amazing, man. Stepping into 800-year-old temple. Bam! Check that out. Little guess, man. You know, I've never really been into like Buddhism that much, but after seeing all this kind of stuff, it's actually quite amazing. Had a good time so far, babe?
Huh?
Had a good time so far.
Maybe 30.
Thursday, yeah.
Yeah,
Get a drink.
good time.
Good time.
For facial method.
Oh, blah 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 blah. Speak. It's okay. Let me. There we go. Oh, sorry. Go get a drink. Okay.
For facial McDonald, my boyfriend 220 baht. For me, 50 baht.
Thank you, darling. Thank you for your help, people. You're so nice. Well-deserved lunch. That's mine. And all that's Leah's. The day has been good, but it's been a workout and a half. So I'm feeling it's time for a swim.
I did first time in that pool.
Yeah?
And
Woo! Juice next. Oh no, this is what I'm talking about, man. It's gonna be it. Yep, really my shoes. Oh, I can't wait to get in here. You know what the best thing is as well? Having this entire pool to yourself. So mint, man. but I'll tell you, I can see why this pool is empty. It is freezing. Honestly, it's like going in an ice bath, man. This thing is so cold. But the photos I think I can get here, when there's no one in this amazing pool, should be pretty epic. But aside from that, this place is amazing. So I just want to say, like, if you are coming to Bangkok, I definitely recommend staying at the Civitel Bangkok. I mean, everything about this hotel, the staff, the rooms, the food, which is something I didn't really touch on, like, unbelievable quality. The pool is amazing, except it is freezing. But after a warm day out in Bangkok, well, a hot day out in Bangkok, coming back to an ice cold pool really maybe isn't such a bad thing at all. So yeah, I've had fun making this vlog, hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I guess we'll see you in the next one.